Hey all, it's Arthur here from Metro Hobbies. We've got some brand new KATO stuff in, so let's have a look. We've got the beautiful 103 series, so these are an iconic part of Japanese railways. They were built in the late 60s and they're still even running today. So this one is a yellow car. You get 4 cars. This one is the motor, as you can see here. So you can see the driving shafts. It's got all-wheel pickup, all-wheel drive. It's also got the working headlights as well, so it will work. Headlights will turn on when you have it running in that way, and then the tail lights, which are these 2 little red ones here, will turn on when the train is running in reverse, and that is for both the front and rear cars as well. And then we move on to something a little bit more modern. We move on to the Series E235. These are some of the most iconic trains in Japan. They are used on the Yamamote loop line, so that's the line that goes all around Tokyo. These are really beautiful, so they feature a little bit more of the more modern stuff. So they feature the ATS antenna and more modern radio antenna, features a more modern pantograph, and features a beautiful detailed front. Then we also do have as well 2 to 3 more Shinkansens. So we've got another iconic Japanese bullet train, which is the N700S. This is the brand new one. So these were only just introduced 2 years ago. They are very similar to the N700A. They feature you can actually run them with the pantographs down if you wanted to. So they feature the close couplings, so they'll actually look a lot more realistic when you're running them around as per the real life prototype, and they're very fast too. We then also have the JR Kyushu one as well. So this one runs on the island of Kyushu. It's to be honest, it's a really beautiful one, especially with the shooting star. And that is actually the full prototypical length, so it's 6 cars. Most Shinkansen run with about 13 to 14 car long trains. This is full on prototypical. They usually run about 6 cars on the island of Kyushu. Okay, and then last we have the E3 in the brand new color for 2020. So to be honest, I've got one of these sets. It's beautiful. Once again, you wouldn't, if you wanted to run this and the N700S at full prototypical length, you at least need 2 expansion sets. So, and the great thing is with the E series Shinkansens, at the rear of each bullet train, you can actually bring out the actual real life coupler. So if you've got like an E4 or an E5 to an E6, you can actually run them together prototypically. And that's really awesome that KATO have actually included that, because they could have easily just left them as just single car sets, but no, you can actually combine them into 2 or multiple different cars. So that's all we've got time for today. If you'd like to buy any of these, or you want to buy other N-scale model trains, come and see one of us in store, or check in the description box below to see our whole full selection. Enjoy!